So, as I said earlier, the first unit is divided into three parts. The first one is peace and harmony, and the reading B is I want peace, and the reading C grand contest in the forest. So, today we are going to learn about the grand contest in the forest. So, here the grand contest. So, what do you mean by the contest? Contest means a competition. A competition. సో అడవిలో ఒక గొప్ప పోటీ అడవిలో ఒక గొప్ప పోటీ అంట అర్థమైందా సో లెట్స్ రీడ్ ద లెసన్ ది యానిమల్స్ బర్డ్స్ అండ్ ట్రీస్ వర్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ దే బిగాన్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ద గ్రేట్ డే when they would give their best to the great one except the little gray squirrel. There was excitement in the air. There was going to be a grand contest. Everyone should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the lords of fire, wind, water, and sun. The animals and trees began preparations. I'll shine like a sparkling sunshine, said the Labanam. My flowers will look like golden raindrops, the Gulmohar said. I will raise myself so that I look like an early morning, the golden red spreading radiance. I'll offer the best honey I can find, shouted the bear. And so here what we see is all the animals are very excited. So what do you mean by excited? They are being very emotional, very strongly emotional. They began to prepare for the great day when they would give their best to the great one except the little gray squirrel. So in the forest, all the animals who lived there, they are preparing what to give to the great one when the great one visit them. So except the gray squirrel, only ఒక ఉడత మాత్రమే ఏం ప్రిపేర్ చేయలేదంట. So there was excitement in the air. There was going to be a grand contest. Everyone should show something special, and the best one would be praised by the lords of fire, wind, water, and sun. So the animal trees began preparation. So everybody started, all the animals, even when everybody, whoever is there in the forest, they prepared. So they what this Lebanon said, you see, I'll shine like a sparkling sunshine. My flowers will look like golden raindrops. So here it is telling that it would shine. And Gulmohar said, what is a Gulmohar? I'll dress myself so that I look like early in the morning, the sun golden red, spreading radiance. So here radiance means ఉదయాన్నే సూర్యుడు ఎంత ప్రకాశవంతంగా ఉంటాడో అలాగే నేను కూడా షైనింగ్ మీన్స్ ప్రకాశవంతంగా కాంతిగా ఉంటాను. I'll offer best honey I can find, shouted the bear. So the bear said it will go into the forest and search for the honey, and it would get it and give to the great one. So the elephant said, I'll get the best fruit, so fresh it would still be on the branches, and lay them at her feet. So the elephant also said that it would get the best fruits from the forest. Everyone had something beautiful or wonderful to offer on the great day. So everybody had something to offer. So here you see everyone except a little gray squirrel who talked sadly to himself. What does a little gray squirrel with black stripes have to offer? So the squirrel telling to himself, what can I offer? Okay, the Palash said, the forest will be ablaze with my beauty. Though late, I will save some flowers. So here the Palash also said, Palash means a tree with red flowers, supposed to be sacred. ఎర్రటి పూలు అంటే దాని యొక్క పవిత్రమైన చెట్లాగా భావించుతారు అన్నట్టు. సో ఇట్ సెడ్ that it will give some flowers, and though early I will make some flowers bloom, snapped the Gulmohar. The beautiful trees and creatures had started competing and fighting. So everybody that I will do this, I will give this. So everybody had competing, I will do better than you. So they had a little fight. My mangoes are ready, announced the mango tree. So the tree which is standing here, it is said that my mangoes are ready, I will offer to the Great one, my mangoes. The peacock said, emeralds and turquoises are my feathers. The lark trilled, I will sing a song, a beautiful and moving. The dog who is saying the great one would love her soft notes. So everybody in their own way they are telling. You understand? Gifts and beauty abound. Though the squirrel in despair, he thought and thought, but I will do what I can do best. He decided. He found hollow branches and filled them with as many as nuts and seeds of different trees as he could find. So here the squirrel what it did, it found different kinds of nuts and it put them into the what it did, it put them into the hollow branches చెట్టు తొర్రలలో ఉంచేసింది and whatever it could find different fruits trees and everything. So the great one, next day everyone was ready. The great one came. The air became soft and balmy. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over little rocks. So great one, here is my gift, said each. So one by one they came near to the great one and they were offering, laying gifts at her feet. After everyone had given their gifts, the great one looked at the little grey squirrel and asked, little one, why are you quiet? So the great one looked at the squirrel who was sitting silent and asked, little one, why are you so quiet? So the squirrel what it replied, you see, everyone offered you great gifts, but I don't have anything grand to offer you. I don't glow and I don't know sing as like others do. But what I give you is from my heart. What I am going to give you is from my heart. Saying this, the squirrel returned, dragging his dry branches. You understand? I have nothing to offer. I don't glow or sing. But what I have to give is with my heart. So whatever I am going to give you is it from my heart I am giving. And he scampered away. He returned, dragging his dry branches. The great one looked grave. So the great one was looking at it very seriously. అంటే ఇవి బాగా ఆలోచిస్తుంది అన్నట్టు దేనికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి అట్లా అని. The great one was impressed by the squirrel words and said, I see beauty in form and sound. All waited, holding their breath. But the prize goes to Grey Squirrel. For I can use the seeds and sow them. New life will burst forth. Trees will bear more fruit. As a gift, not only for today, but also for all our tomorrows. So everyone excited to know who the winner was. Then the great one announced the prize. What it said? The prize goes to the squirrel. Do you understand? I can sow the seeds that the squirrel gave, which would grow into trees and give new life to the nature. They give me more fruits. This gift is not for today, but it is a gift for tomorrow. By the time all the creatures, they then marveled, saying, how foolish we were to think only of the present. 3 cheers for the little squirrel. So everybody came to the squirrel and they clapped for the squirrel. You understand, children? So here you see the glossary. Labdanum is a noun. It means a small tree with groups of yellow flowers hanging down. Second one, palash, is also a noun. Means a tree with red flowers, supposed to be sacred. Next, turquoises is an adjective which means a bluish green color. And many more words are there. As I earlier said, contest, it means a competition. Next, excitement, it means a state of strong emotion. Next we have praise, which means speak well of. Next we have radiance, which means bright shining. We have despair, means loss of hope, nirasha chendadam. Grave, which means serious. Next marvel, everybody, then the creatures marveled, we have, right? So marvel means wonderful. You understand, children? So I summarize this story for you. Once again, you just see the story. I just will summarize this story for you, the grand contest. So it was the day of the contest. among the creatures of the forest. The animals in the trees were excited and began their preparations. But a little grey squirrel was sitting in a great despair. He did not understand what he could offer. So the great one came. The labandam shone like a sparkling sunshine. The Gulmo dressed herself so that it looked like a early morning sun, gold and red, spreading the radiance. The bear offered the best honey he found. In this way, every animal and tree offered something to the great one. But the little grey squirrel remained silent as they were offering. The great one asked him why he was silent. Then the squirrel bought hollow dry branches which were filled with nuts and seeds of different trees. The great one gave the prize to the grey squirrel, saying that the nuts and seeds which were decorated to the branches would burst forth and the trees would bear more fruits for our future needs. While the rest of the animals and birds thought of the present, the little squirrel thought of the future. So he was offered the prize. He was given the prize. Do you understand, children? Yes. Let's look at the question here, you see. There was excitement in the air. Why? Why there was a excitement? Why do you think there was a excitement? There was excitement because it's going to be a grand contest. ఎస్ అన్న అడవిలో ఒక పెద్ద పోటీ ఉంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ అనేది ఉంది. హూ విల్ సింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్? హూ విల్ సింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్? ద లార్క్ విల్ సింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్. హౌ వాజ్ ద స్క్విరిల్? వై? హౌ వాజ్ ద స్క్విరిల్? The squirrel was in despair because he knew that he could not offer anything on the day of the grand contest. Who was the winner of the contest? Who was the winner of the contest by the end? The little grey squirrel was the winner of the contest. Fifth one. Why did the great one give prize to the squirrel? Because the squirrel showed the dry branches which were filled with nuts and seeds of different trees gathered by him. When the great one saw this, she offered the prize to the grey squirrel. The great one said that the squirrel had thought of the future by arranging the nuts and seeds which would bear more fruit in the future and it will be useful for the future generations. So if you were the judge, who would get prize? Why? Give reasons for your answer. So if you are being in the place of a great one, you are a judge, then whom will you give the prize? Of course, if you were the judge, the little grey squirrel would get the prize as he had thought of the future. Yes or no, children? Yes, as he thought of the future, we also would have given prize to the little grey squirrel. You understand the story, children? Yes. So I just will tell you the summary in Telugu once, okay? సో ఒకరోజు అడవిలో జంతువులు చెట్లు ఒక పోటీ ఉంది అని చెప్పేసి పాల్గొనడానికి రెడీ అవుతున్నాయి. అవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటంటే బాగా ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాయి ఆ రోజు కోసం. ఒక ఉడత మాత్రం తనకి ఏమి ఇవ్వాలో అర్థం కాలేదు. అది చాలా నిరాశతో ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే వారు ఎదురు చూస్తున్న రోజు రానే వచ్చింది. అక్కడ గ్రేట్ కాంటెస్ట్, అక్కడ ఎవరు గ్రేట్ వన్ మీన్స్ వనదేవత, అడవిలో ఉన్న వనదేవత పోటీలు ప్రారంభించడానికి వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు చెట్లు జంతువులు అన్నీ ఏమేమైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కూడా వాళ్ళకి తెలిసిన విద్యలు ఏ దానికైతే ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యా, పాడడం, డ్యాన్స్ చేయడం అన్నింటికి అవి ప్రిపేర్ అయి ఉన్నాయి. కానీ ఇక్కడ స్క్విరిల్ అంటే ఎవరు? ఉడత ఏం చేసింది? సైలెంట్గా ఉండిపోయింది. సో అప్పుడు ఉడతను చూసి గ్రేట్ వన్ అడిగింది, నీకేమైంది, ఎందుకు అలా ఉన్నావు అని. అప్పుడు ఉడత చెప్పింది తను ఇటువంటి గొప్ప పని చేయలేనని చెప్పేసి ఒక ఎండు కొమ్మ తెచ్చి ఇచ్చింది. ఆ కొమ్మలో తను ఏం చేసింది? తను సేకరించిన విత్తనాలు గింజలు అన్నీ కూడా అమర్చింది. సో ఆ ప్రదర్శన గమనించిన తర్వాత వనదేవత ఒక ప్రైజ్ ఇవ్వాలని నిర్ణయించుకుంది. సో ఆమె ఏం చేసింది? ఒక చిన్న ఉడతకు ప్రైజ్ ఇచ్చింది. ఎందుకు అంటే ఆ విత్తనాలు గింజలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి ఇప్పుడు మనం నాటినట్లయితే అవి చెట్లుగా మొలకెత్తుతాయి, తర్వాత అవి పండ్లను ఇస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు కాకుండా అవి మన భావితరాలకు కూడా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. మనకు ఒక మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది అని ఆలోచించింది కాబట్టి ఉడతకి నేను ఈ ప్రైజ్ ఇస్తున్నానని ఎవరు గ్రేట్ అని చెప్పింది. మిగిలిన అన్ని జంతువులు కూడా వాళ్ళు చేసిన పనికి సిగ్గుపడితే ఏం చేశాయి, మేము ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ గురించి ఆలోచించాము, ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి ఆలోచించలేదు అని సిగ్గుపడి అప్పుడు అందరు కలిసి ఏం చేశారు, ఆ యొక్క ఉన్న ఉడతను అభినందించారు. దే మార్వెల్ సేయింగ్ హౌ ఫులిష్ వి వర్ టు థింక్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రజెంట్ అండ్ ద 3 cheers ఫర్ ది లిటిల్ స్క్విరిల్. సో అందరు కూడా ఆ ఉడతని అభినందించారు. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ లిజనింగ్. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye bye.